This is how you change out the hard drive on a 4 and 8 channel Spyclops Pro PoE NVR kit. First, we are going to remove 4 screws, 1 on either side and 2 on the back. Next, we'll remove the top by sliding it off the back. With the top removed, we'll unplug the 2 sets of cables from the hard drive. First, the SATA cable, and then the power cable. Now, flip the unit over and remove the 4 screws that secure the hard drive. Make sure to hold the hard drive with your other hand so it does not fall out after removing the last screw. Flip the unit back over, then remove the hard drive. To reinstall the hard drive, follow the same procedure in reverse. In order to record to the new hard drive, we have to format it. To do this, right-click on the screen and go to Menu. Select HDD, and put a check mark next to the hard drive listed there. Select Format, and click Confirm. Be aware, formatting the hard drive will cause loss of all the data that's on the disk. The hard drive will then reformat. Once the formatting procedure is finished, the system will reboot. For more information, visit us at metraav.com.